Sialkot, a city in northeastern Punjab province located at the foot of the snow-clad Kashmiri mountain. It was here in this crowded city where Allama Iqbal's first educational basis took root. Having received his first training by father and such a great teacher as Maulana Mir Hassan, the young Muhammad entered Scotch Mission School to start his official education therein. The school's premises, against passage of centuries, keeps the same shape as it used to have.
This place, exactly located in the middle of the city, was called Hill. For some time, it was an ordinary place, but when people got familiar with Iqbal and his scientific theories, the place came to the fore. Because Allama Dr. Muhammad Iqbal did his elementary schooling here.
Enjoying a rich past, Sialkot has always attracted the attention of Muslims, Hindus, and Sikhs. All of these people, while living in this city, paid special attention to their children's education. Muslims started their children's education by sending them to mosques and old-fashioned primary schools. There, children got familiar with the Persian language as the language of Quranic teachings and their mother tongue. This way, they became ready to continue their official schooling. Muhammad Iqbal was one among many of those children.
He finished his high school here in 1891. Then in 1893, he completed his 10th grade, and it was here where he finally ended his high school education in 1895 and got his high school diploma. This high school diploma was granted to him by the state. At first, Scotch Mission was an elementary school, but gradually it expanded to offer high school education as well. In 1895, he succeeded in completing his high school education here.
A quick glance at the city tells you very well everything about Sialkot's traditional life. Time has not cooled down in the city life's fervor. Young Iqbal, under his learned teacher Mir Hassan's teachings, could understand the city's social life and circumstances imposed unrightfully upon it. Therefore, he had dreams for the future of his people.
We are walking in Allama Iqbal Lahori's class of science. The classroom you see is where Allama Iqbal passed his elementary school years. It is where Allama Iqbal passed his academic life to learn science and dream of a prosperous Pakistan. At the time Iqbal was a pupil, here there used to be a wall, out of which water was drawn up by a rope and a pail for students studying here. There was a small room here with copper, brass and clay glasses. Pupils were of 4 religious backgrounds: Sikhs, Hindus, Christians and Muslims. Christians used copper glasses, Hindus and Sikhs clay glasses, and Muslims would drink from brass glasses. But Allama, spending about 2.5 years in this school, used none of these glasses. He used his hands to drink water.
Having finished his high school in Sialkot, Muhammad Iqbal found the city too small to give him an opportunity to fly higher up in the sky. Muhammad was 18 when he finished his pre-university courses with honors, receiving 2 academic gold medals. Admitted on a scholarship, he left Sialkot for Lahore as advised by his teacher Mir Hassan. Lahore was a city southwest of his birthplace, 125 kilometers away from it. Then Muhammad Iqbal went to Punjab University, one of Pakistan's oldest universities, established in 1882 by the British ruler of the Indian subcontinent in Lahore. There, the instruction language was English, though some lessons were taught in Urdu. Young Iqbal of Sialkot went there to continue his education. Very soon, he got so famous throughout the world due to his thoughts and his Persian Urdu poems. Known as Iqbal Lahori, he was destined to get his BA and MA here and composed his earliest poems.